Welcome. In front of me I have LG NanoCell TV, and today I'll show you how we can rename this TV. So at the first you have to tap on the settings icon on your remote control. Next you have to go for the all settings. Right now you have to find connection, so go for it. And here you can find the TV name. As you can see, there's mine. So when you want to change it, you have to just simply tap here, then erase phrase that you want to change. And of course we are going to change the name for the hard reset for the name of our company. With space, and there we got the HardReset.Nano867NA TV. Then click enter to confirm. And as you can see, the name of our TV has changed. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.